I'm going to fix the brakes on this 2019 Ram 1500. So this truck makes some brake noise when I back up in the morning out of the driveway, and it usually only happens when it's cold. And it only really started a couple of months ago. I have about 10,000 miles on this truck, and it's just a really loud vibrating noise, almost like a howling or moaning. So I ordered the official Anti-Moan kit from Mopar. The kit comes with 4 of these brackets that attach to the rear brake caliper and then kind of sit on the axle. And there's 2 on each side, and then they also give you these clamps that go around the axle and with the bracket as well to kind of hold those in place. And then they give you some hardware to put it in. One note on this is the bolts, the new bolts that they give you are this star pattern head. And you'll need a special socket for those. And I happen to have one of those. It's an E20 star pattern. And I think I picked these up online. And I actually picked these up years ago for a old BMW I had. Technically, this truck is still under warranty, but the experience I've had the dealer in my local area has not been great. And, you know, it's 30 or 40 minutes away, and then I waste a day. For 50 bucks, it should be easy enough to do, and I'll just do it myself. So if you take a look down here, you can see how this bracket is on here. So this is the caliper bracket bolt that put in. That's the top one. And then this clamp to hold these in place. And then there's top and bottom of these brackets. Well, it's been about a week since I installed the Brake Anti-Moan kit, and so far so good. I haven't had any more of the moaning noise when it's cold outside, and it's been pretty cold here recently. And I went ahead and put that part number down in the description if any of you are having the same issue. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. And if you wouldn't mind, just hit that little subscribe button down there. At 250 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and shave this beard. Well, thanks for watching Workshop and Home.